good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining this webinar. It's my pleasure to give you a very short introduction of the whereabouts in the Annex 80, which is the frame for this webinar. Annex 80 is a 3-year program within the IEA, International Agency Energy in Buildings and Community Program, and together with a team, an international team of around 15 institutions all over the world, we have been and are investigating the questions how to provide resilient, robust, energy efficient and low carbon cooling in the frame of ongoing climate change and severe heat waves facing most of the climates in this world. And the topic of future weather data and heat waves has been a crucial one in the work of our annex, since it's necessary to predict what's going on and what will be happen. And a working group within our annex did very good work in the case of deriving data, robust data of prospective heat waves in all climate zones of this world. And this will be the basis for this webinar. This will be the program of the webinar. So it will last 1¼ of an hour with a theoretical introduction given by Agnese Salvati on this work to derive this worldwide future weather data heatwave climate scenarios, and then 2 practical applications, one given by our team member Anais Machar and one by our team member Ron Levinson, how to apply those weather data. Next, please. Yes, I said it already, Annex 80 program. It's even much more than I said. It's 36 institutions, it's 16 countries. Next, please. Yes, let's go on. We're in the working phase, so you're very much where the annexes will last another year from now. You're very much welcome if you're interested in the work of this team to join the website. You will find it easily with the keywords of IEA Annex 80. The idea of this annex was that that it's inevitable that cooling will be more and more necessary in this warming world, and it's our duty to prepare affordable low energy and low carbon cooling systems to face this demand for cooling, to not compromise the aim of climate neutrality, and on the second hand to secure safe conditions for survivability, even if there's a heat wave and even if the grid breaks down. I think that's enough for this. Next, please. Yes, this was the big headline in this annex, to secure affordable low energy and low carbon cooling solutions, strengthening the ability of individuals and communities to withstand and prevent the thermal impacts of changes in global and local climates. Next, please. There are 4 groups of technologies which we address. Stepwise reduce heat loads, remove sensible heat from indoor environments, enhance personal comfort. There is even another annex, I think it's Annex 86, which now focuses especially on personal comfort systems, very promising field of technology, and remove latent heat from indoor environments. Next, please. We will do nice deliverables and guidelines, which you are very much welcomed to download in close to a year when they are ready then. Next, please. And I think that's it. There are already 4 publications internationally available, presented in international journals coming out from the annex.